Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the mop washing settings on DREAME X50 Ultra. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner, then go to Dock Settings. Now you'll find Auto Mop Washing and you can enable it or disable it. When disabled, the robot will mop with dried mop pads. And then return to wash after the whole task is completed. You can also change the mop washing settings. You can enable it to smart mop washing or adjust it manually to the water level and also the water temperature. And you can also find auto mop rewashing, so it will rewash if it thinks that the mops have become too dirty in the Clean Genius mode. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.